Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. So for 5 Metana today we are going to have English class. And we are going to use workbook on page 18 and 19. So on page 18 there is some evaluation phases. Ada evaluation muka evaluation tu maksudnya you evaluate kerja awak sendiri. If you think I need to try this again, awak rasa perlu perbaiki lagi, so you can choose the first phase and I could do better, you can use second phase and the list goes on. So for vocabulary, number 1, complete the words in the text. Our town is very good for food. That's a nice Turkish. What is it? What do you think is the answer? Good. Restaurant. Okay, so just fill it up here inside your workbook. Tak perlu nak buat dalam E1 or E2. Lengkapkan saja, fill up the blanks here. And an Italian cafe too. Okay, and then number 2. Choose the correct answers. For example, number 1, the new ship has got with a lot of books. Okay. Just circle the correct answer, cabin, library, or swimming pool. So make sure you underline the keywords. For example, the keywords here is books. So, which one can you relate to books? Yes, good, library. So just circle the word library here. And the same goes to number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, for number 3, is there, are there, and how many? So, is there, adakah, are there, adakah, how many, berapakah? So, is there and are there? The answer will be in yes or no form. Okay, kalau guna is there ataupun are there, jawapan dia akan ada sama ada ya ataupun tidak. But how do you differentiate it? Macam mana nak bezakan? Okay, is for singular, are is for plural. Is untuk satu, are untuk banyak. How many? Berapa? Berapakah? So the answer must be in quantifier. Mesti dalam bilangan ataupun jumlah. For example, is there a book? Yes, there is. Are there books over there? Yes, there are. So how many books are there? There are 3 books. Okay, macam tu. So how many? Dia akan ada jumlah. Kena ada quantity. Okay, now look at the question. Write questions and short answers. Okay, dia suruh tulis soalan dan jawapan pendek. Okay, so I think the space here is not enough for you to write. Dia punya ruang macam tak muat. So this one, I want you to do in your exercise book. Okay. If you want to use your E1, you can use E1. Kalau rasa tak ada E1, you want to use E2 or writing book, it's okay. Use whatever book you have at home. Okay, boleh guna buku apa-apa kat rumah. So number 1, a big cinema in your area? No. So what question can we make from it? Yes. Is there a big cinema in your area? No, it isn't. Okay, let's tulis macam tu. Number 2, any interesting monuments in town? Yes. Is there any interesting monuments in this town? Yes, there is. Okay, for vocabulary and listening, number 4, comparing places. This one you need to listen to the audio. And then you need to match it. For example, school, apa jawapan dia? Kalau quiet, so write down A here. The audio, I will post it I will post it together. Okay, later lah. Nanti teacher post sekali. Okay, for page 19, comparative adjective, perbandingan. Okay, choose the correct words and write them on the lines. Okay, pilih dan tulis saja dalam 40. Okay, so this one kena tulis dalam exercise book juga, number 5. Okay, for speaking, number the sentences, asking and saying where places are. Okay, and then number, yang ini you have to letak nombor. Okay, for number 7, order the words to make sentence. Susun semula. Is Norwich interesting city a very? How do you rearrange it? Okay, Norwich is a very interesting city. And then evaluate yourself. So that's all for today's lesson. This one, you just need to rearrange the dialogue. Okay? Put the dialogue in the correct order. Number the sentences. So which one goes first? That's great. Thanks for your help. It's about 10 minutes. Excuse me, are we near the library here? Okay, so excuse me will be the first. So write down number 1 here. Okay, if you have any question, just ask me. All the exercise, you just need to do inside workbook, except for the one that I wrote just now. Okay, just snap your answers. Snap this page and then submit it through Google Classroom. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and stay safe.